creature of all world. Here we are. This tree is an honest tree. It really is very not dangerous. It looks like a flower, pretty flower. Green, pretty flower. And there's a lot of it. This is a cactus. It comes from wild, very wild places. This is another kind of cactus. It only comes in deserts or in places that have sand. This is a kind of another cactus. This one really is rare. It really is a lot of attention. This is fourth kind of cactus. It is a real tall one, dangerous one. This is a beautiful kind of flower. But some people seem to think it is not. These are very dangerous creatures for all plants. They're chickens. They drink milk within they thought it was their mother's milk. But it wasn't. It simply was a cow or a sheep milk. They eat everything, even plants. But this is what scares me of eating their plants. What we need